All right, so we're talking about Adobe Premiere Pro and using the AI transcription to turn your audio file into text so you can make captions. And it's great. It works really fast. It works really well, especially if the person that you are transcribing speaks very clearly, and doesn't. There's no other people talking. There's no accents. There's no speech impediments. There's very typical speech is picked up and transcribed very quickly with Adobe. But I am editing a documentary called How to Fail at Accessibility, and one of my interviewees, the transcription was a little bit funny. So we're gonna start here in Premiere Pro, and once you get your file in, as long as you have your audio file attached and highlighted there, you can go up here and click on text and click on transcribe, and it will start transcribing automatically for you. It doesn't go this fast. I have it sped up. It takes a while. This is a 4-minute clip, and it took about 5 or 6 minutes to transcribe. So we have, once it transcribes, it gives you this whole big block of text. The whole thing is transcribed. And it doesn't make it into captions until you click on CC or captions and create a caption track. But once you do that, it will create captions for you, and it'll automatically put them down on your timeline. Right down here you have all your captions, which is great because they're easily editable. There's little timestamps for all of them, so you can make an SRT file to attach it to YouTube or send it to a broadcaster or whatever you need to do. So this is the interview where it wasn't very accurate. So let's have a look.
For the first timer challenge run by Chris Dunn, and he was holding it at Boca downtown. And it was for anyone who has done it before and wanted to give it a try.
Okay, so you can, as you can see already, Josh is a comedian. He has a different way of speaking. He has a speech impediment, but he's easy enough to understand if you're paying attention, if you're listening to him. The AI, you can see the captions are way off. So far here at the beginning, they're not even close.
And at the time, I'm like, I'm kind of bored. Looking for something to do with my life, something new, something fun, so I said, fuck it, we'll give it a try. Sorry, am I not understand?
No, that's perfect.
I'm gonna say, if you can't understand me now, gonna have a very confusing 5 minutes. I can only imagine now a couple of the crowd, honey, what's this man saying? I don't know, honey, but then just laugh and pretend we know. Okay.
So this is Josh's interview and a clip from him doing stand-up, and it's pretty bad. If we skip ahead to later on in the interview, we talked to somebody else, the guy that booked Josh for his first gig, and you can see that the AI, there's almost no errors at all. It picks up everything.
So
clearly.
My name is Christopher Dunn, and I'm the artistic director of Night Out Productions, which showcases mainly local talent. Occasionally comedians will come from away. We early on decided that it was important to try to bring as many diverse voices to.
So as you can see, the AI transcription and captions are pretty much perfect for Chris, and they're coming up here on the in the captions tab. Individual captions, you can see them. They're all great. But when we get back to Josh, it's the same. It's like it doesn't understand, and it just tries to fill out.
He's the one that helped me get into Boca, because it also wasn't accessible, but because of him and the knowledge that I knew, I told him where to go get a rent.
So it needs to be edited. So when you do the transcription, the automatic transcription, it works to a point, but there's a lot of editing. So if we skip ahead a little bit, you can see where I am going through.
For the first time,
I'm going to edit the captions, which is time consuming. This is a 4.5 minute clip, and I think the me editing, it took 18 minutes. So it was 18 minutes to edit the captions after Adobe did the automatic transcription.
First timer challenge run by Chris Dunn.
So as you can see, you can go up into the captions, double click on them, and just type in, and it automatically edits the caption files down on the bottom to what you're typing in. So it's very easy to fix. It just is time consuming.
First timer challenge run by Chris Dunn, and he was holding it at Boca downtown.
So it's time consuming. It takes a while, but you can edit them and just listen to it and go in and change it. So it does set up the captions for you. That's helpful. It does give you each individual little caption clip that you can go in and edit and change yourself, and that's very easy to do, but again, it's time consuming. So the AI works to a point, as long as your speaker or your audio track isn't multiple speakers. There's very clear speech. There's no accents or speech impediments or any kind of atypical speech patterns. It's pretty good. And as long as you know how to get in there and edit it, you can always go in there and fix it yourself. Check out How to Fail at Accessibility on Vimeo. I'll put a link in the comments. Thanks.